Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if customers aren't receiving order confirmation emails from your Shopify store, it can lead to confusion and support issues. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix order confirmation emails not being sent in Shopify in 2026. So let's get started. Well, the first thing before even opening Shopify and all of them settings, you should always check if you are fully connected to the internet. Make sure everything is looking good, since we're gonna go and test the email notification settings. All the way now to our store, the usual stuff. Let's go to the home page. Basically, all you're gonna do is the usual stuff: search bar, shopify.com, login, email address and password, and go through these settings. You will be having a lot of options here. Go to notifications. There is also this customer notifications, notify customers about order and account events. You need this. Go into this one, and you see here order confirmation sent when a customer places an order. We're gonna go and look for it as well. Make sure basically this is enabled and it's looking good. You can also edit the code if you want to. They're gonna give you basically the receipt and everything else. There is also much more options for local delivery, draft order invoice, and much more options. You should also ask customers to check the spam folder, since emails can sometimes be filtered. A broken liquid code can stop emails from sending as well. Disable any third-party emails apps, including the apps in Shopify. All you're gonna do is go through the apps and the usual stuff, throw the three-dot menu, then tap on uninstall, give them a reason, and confirm. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.